Which crop is the primary staple food crop of the majority of the population in India?
Rice.
The Green Revolution, in India launched in the late 1960s, was primarily successful in increasing the production of which two crops?
Wheat and rice.
Who is globally revered as the father of the Green Revolution in India?
Dr. M.S. Swaminathan.
Operation Flood, launched in 1970, is associated with which agricultural revolution in India?
White Revolution.
Which state in India is the leading producer of sugarcane and sugar?
Uttar Pradesh.
Which region in India is famously called the Rice Bowl of India due to its massive paddy production?
Krishna Godavari Delta.
Which is the oldest operational oil refinery in India located in Assam?
Digboi.
The famous Mumbai High offshore oil field is located in which sea?
Arabian Sea.
Which region in Jharkhand and Odisha is widely known as the Ruhar of India due to rich mineral deposits?
Chota Nagpur Plateau.
Which type of coal has the highest carbon content and highest heating value?
Anthracite.
Where is the Kolar Gold Fields located in India?
Karnataka.
Panna in Madhya Pradesh is world famous for the mining of which gemstone?
Diamond.
Which place in Rajasthan is historically famous for copper mining?
Khetri.
Where was the first successful modern cotton textile mill established in India in 1854?
Mumbai.
Which city in Gujarat is famously dubbed as the Manchester of India?
Ahmedabad.
Which city is widely referred to as the Silicon Valley of India due to its flourishing IT industry?
Bengaluru.
Which state in India is the largest producer of natural rubber?
Kerala.
Where is the Integral Coach Factory manufacturing railway coaches located in India?
Perambur.
Which express highway project connects the four major metropolitan cities Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai and Kolkata?
Golden Quadrilateral.
Which is the longest national highway in India running from Srinagar to Kanyakumari?
NH-44.
Which is the largest natural deep-water seaport in India?
Mumbai Port.
Where is the headquarters of the Indian Space Research Organisation located?
Bengaluru.
On which river is the Bhakra Nangal Dam, the highest gravity dam in India, constructed?
Satluj.
On which river is the Hirakud Dam, the longest earthen dam in India, constructed?
Mahandi.
Which state has the highest population density in India according to Census 2011?
Bihar.